Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. Are you currently having problems with not being able to reply to Instagram story and you want to be able to fix it? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do firstly is to just close your Instagram app, and instead we're going to open up our settings app. So go into your settings app, and as you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down in here, and then we're going to click where it says general. So click on general. Now scroll down a little bit in here and click on storage, as you can see. Because what will happen now is that we will need to wait a couple of seconds for this page to load and then scroll down and find the Instagram app. So I did this myself, by the way. I found my Instagram app in here. I clicked on it. I clicked on upload app. Once again, I clicked on upload app in here. I just waited a couple of seconds and then I clicked on the blue button here again. And as you can see, it says loading now for my Instagram app, and that means that my app right now, my Instagram app is currently updating to the absolute latest version. So you need to wait just a couple of seconds until it's done, then go back and try again, and hopefully now it's fixed for you as well.